guys, welcome to my video today. I'm going to be prepping up a bunch of stuff to take on a picnic. The weather has been warm but wonderful, and we're just having a blast this summer going on all kinds of little outings. So we're going to pack up a picnic. I'm going to prep everything and show it to you. I'm going to cut up some watermelon. I'm going to do broccoli salad and some pinwheel wraps as well. So let me get this all made up for our picnic. So I'm going to make some wraps with my favorite, these are my carb balanced tortillas. This is the burrito size, and they're really, really good. So I'm going to add in all of my favorite wrap ingredients. I have sliced turkey, sliced cheddar cheese, I have spinach and ranch dressing. You can definitely customize this. I like to add bacon a lot of the times, but you can do any kind of lunch meat that you like. Ham, roast beef, any kind. I just love turkey. So I'm gonna add on next my spinach, and I'm keeping my turkey and on the outside, so when I roll it up, I don't have the ranch too much on the tortilla so it doesn't get too soggy. So you can definitely make these ahead of time, but you can make them the morning of as well if you're taking these out for a little picnic like we are. So I'm just gonna roll it up nice and tight, and then I'm going to, once I have the other one made, I will slice them into little pinwheels. And these are just a really fun, kind of like little finger food to have, and really great for picnics and anything you need where you don't have to cook anything or heat anything up. So on picnics and road trips, we're doing a lot this summer. So this kind of food is really great for us and very easy to have a nice, healthy lunch on the go, spend some time outside. So I'm going to cut these with my knife and make little pinwheels. So these are just really fun and, like I said, bite-sized finger foods. We love little finger foods in our house, so these are always a hit. And I just love anything with spinach and ranch dressing also. I am a huge ranch fan, so these are just great. But you can do your favorite dressing in the middle or just mayonnaise if you'd like, so you can definitely customize those. We have been eating a lot of watermelon this summer. It is just delicious, and these little ones are so good. So watermelon, just about, I get it every single week. So I'm going to cut this watermelon up, and then it'll be ready to go for our picnic. Like I said, we've just been living off of watermelon lately. It is so, so good. I wish the watermelon was in season all year long because it is just so good right now, but can't really find really great watermelons other times of the year. So we have been living it up on the watermelon. So I'm just dicing it into little squares. There's so many ways to cut watermelon. This is how I cut it. It just comes out in little squares and just great bite size. Like I mentioned with the pinwheels, we just love little bite-sized foods. So this is just a great way for us to make it. So I'm just dicing all of these watermelons up and make a whole bunch. I'm gonna do broccoli salad, which is a huge hit with us. So I have my broccoli and I have about 5 pieces of cooked bacon. So depending on how much, I just love bacon, so you can never have too much bacon. So you can do 4 to 5 pieces of bacon depending on what your preference is. I have some dried cranberries, half a cup of diced up red onion. I have a 1/4 cup of sunflower seeds, 1 cup of mayonnaise, which is going to make this so nice and creamy. I have a tablespoon of sugar and a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. So I will give this a good mix, and just the creamy mayonnaise combined with the broccoli just makes this really, really good. The sweetness of the dried cranberries is definitely a huge hit and can't go wrong with the bacon. All right, so these dishes are ready for any kind of tailgating party, any kind of like barbecue party or picnic. Super fun and easy, healthy. If you guys have been around my channel, you know I love very simple recipes. So these are just that, and so delicious. So I hope you enjoyed this one. Hope you're having a really great summer. If you have any questions, leave me a comment. Hope you have a great day, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.